Hi everyone, today we have with us Gulshan. So Gulshan, we want to understand your story from 85 percentile to the PPO. So we can see the complete success story.
Yeah.
So we start with the background first. Where are you from?
I am from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
And then you did your BCom, BMS engineering?
I did mechanical engineering, and after I thought that I shall upskill myself, so I thought to do an MBA in research and business analytics.
Okay, so
Yeah.
superb. So when you gave other exam as well, CAT?
Yeah, I gave CAT, ZAT, and also CMAT.
CMAT.
Yeah.
So how much you prepare for CMAT? If I talk about pure CMAT, it means mocks or dedicated preparation, GK.
As compared to CAT and ZAT, there was little less preparation required for CMAT, and as comparison, CMAT is quite simpler to study, and the questions are quite easier as compared to CAT and ZAT.
And one thing I've seen, if you're preparing for CAT exam, na, it takes away the energy. So you don't want to prepare also कि बस यार बस हो गया अभी. But सारे exam ऐसे ही दे देंगे हम जैसे जाके.
Yes.
So and this also work ulta as well कि that if you're preparing for the CAT exam, so you are automatically getting
Preparing
prepared for the non-CAT
CMAT,
exam.
yeah.
बस आपको mocks देना है, थोड़ा
Yes,
tweak
exactly,
करना है
sir.
strategy को.
I gave approximately 9 to 10 mocks for the CMAT.
exam.
Yeah.
And how many weeks or months of preparation for CMAT?
To be very honest, I prepared only 20 to 25 days for CMAT because it happened in the April, I guess, no? But there was quite a gap because CAT happens in the November,
Correct.
and this exam happened in the April. So I was actually not quite ready for the CMAT, but in the last few days I was prepared well enough to get
And that's true
85.
for everyone यार. No one, so anyone who says ना I am preparing for months for CMAT, वो झूठ बोल रहा है क्योंकि CMAT के लग से कोई नहीं पढ़ता है.
Yes, sir,
So you have to be
definitely.
preparing for the other exams
Yeah,
in
yeah,
between as
yeah.
well. So when you got 85 percentile,
Yeah.
so what was going in your mind? Will you get through or should I repeat? What was in
So
the
to
mind?
be very honest, the process of Wellinger is quite difficult, and I was shortlisted for the second round. Even after the shortlisting, I have to wait till 5 to 6 days to get a call from here. So during those period, I was really quite nervous.
So that was after interview, before
Yes,
the
sir,
final
after
results,
interview,
the final
yeah.
results.
Final results.
So during the interview, did you feel that your marks are less, so will they reject you? During
yes,
the
sir,
interview,
definitely
you
I was
felt that?
thinking, yeah.
But did they made you feel?
I felt that during that period, 5 to 6 days period, I definitely felt
No,
that.
not that phase. Do the interview. Why I'm asking this question? Because I feel if even if you're a 99 percentiler or a 85 percentiler, during the interview table, everyone is same.
Yes, sir.
So do you felt that कि वहाँ marks कम है? Maybe आपकी energy low होगा because you're
My interview went really well, and there was one Anita Pille ma'am and Vijay sir, both are working here. So my interviews went really well, and I was quite confident enough.
कि हो जाएगा. Right. Great. So this is something I want to tell everyone कि that percentile does not matter. You
Yeah.
have to clear the cutoff. There's a very small gap between a top scorer and a 70 percentile also.
75%.
So 75 the cutoff. So सबका equal chance है convert करने
Yes,
का.
sir,
So don't keep that in mind. कि when doing preparing for the interviews, कि that you have a lesser chance to convert. So that's not the case.
Yes.
So when you join the college, so now we'll talk to the second part, your preparation for
Yes,
the
sir.
PPO. So you got your summer internship
At
ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank.
So and a PPO as well. So what I should do if I'm joining the college so that I can get into the banking sector, and so any courses or any certification you have done on and above the normal, because
Yes, sir.
coaching.
Because I am from analytics, I have done a few programming things and also analytics courses that really helped me during the interview process, because I am from research and business analytics. So most of the question raised was from there. Although I am going to a banking sector, but there are a lot of data that can be used in the banking. So yes, this analytics program helped me a lot during the whole PPO process.
Correct. And that's something students have to change now. There's nothing called finance or marketing or this and that. So the underlying role remains same.
Yes, sir.
Like this library can be in an MBA college also, in undergrad college also, engineering college also.
Yes, sir.
The purpose of library will not change.
Will not.
So same way, marketing, finance, the data, the purpose of data will not change wherever you go. So if you can explain me in a very layman language, obviously we don't want the details about what you did in summer internship, but what kind of internship projects are offered to people from analytics background?
Analytic. Sir, basically, you have to, which type of role you're asking?
Kind of summer internship and the final roles.
So basically, there is nothing type of role. There is one analyst. So basically, you get the data and you get the you have to analyze and get the results. I mean the interpretation. That is the only kind of role you can get it right now. Other
Correct.
than, yeah.
So yeah, so if you're interested in analytics, and if that doesn't mean the bank is going to take you because of analytics, they will take other as well.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, they define the
Communication
roles.
skills are really important to get even for the internship. It's really important.
Correct. So for the PPO, what do you think were the main key factors? Like for your case, what was your main strength that you could convert?
First of the thing, I worked there. I went there, and the main thing was I was contributing there. So even I used to meet the client with the my seniors. So I went there. I was really interactive with them, and I guess from there I got the PPO.
Correct.
Yeah.
So sometimes what people think, because I'm an intern, I should not say a word. I should keep quiet, this and that. So if you're contributing, and making it felt as well, the boss should also be know that he's contributing into something.
Sir, definitely.
Then obviously makes sense.
Yeah.
So you think that engagement?
Yes, sir.
is one of the
Engagement
main
is
thing.
one of the main important criteria that one should have during an MBA. That should be developed.
I was just seeing the book. This called engagement, customer engagement, right? It's called employee engagement. So yeah, if you can have a boss engagement, then that can be your success factor.
Yes, sir, definitely.
For converting MBA. Superb. So all the best. All the best for the career.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.